Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at an alternator and a Chrysler Pacifica. This one's a 2005. Let's check it out. Okay guys, first thing you're going to want to do, always disconnect this negative battery cable. This battery's not here. This cover, you're just going to, it kind of pops out. You're going to pop it off, set them off to the side. You can see it sets on these little studs. And then our alternator is right here. Now you're going to have a 12 or a 13 millimeter nut you got to take off. And then you got this squeeze and pull connector right here, just squeeze and pull. You'll also have this guy right here. There'll be this little bracket sitting right here, and I believe that's 13 millimeter bolts. You take that off, set that off to the side, and then we've got our tensioner right down, being sneaky. Let's see if we can light it up a little bit. Right there. And you're just gonna take long 3/8. Here, I'll grab the tool. You're gonna need a tool like this right here because the amount of clearance you have is not much clearance at all. And this special tool, it's like doesn't require much clearance. So you're gonna take this guy right here, you're gonna stick them down in here. If I can get them on there. And it'll be sitting on them just like that, and then you'll just pull toward you to loosen the belt, and then you'll slip the belt off. And also, this hose right here is gonna be in your way, so it just slips on and slips off. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course your mounting bolts. There's a shorter mounting bolt on this side. It sits right down in there, and then your longer one sits and goes right through there. I believe they're 15 or 13. Go ahead and take both those out, and then your alternator just picks up and out. So it'll look like this right there. So that's it. The installation is reverse the removal. Thanks for watching.